Hi, I'm Mary, and I'm here to demonstrate our laminating machine.
Before we begin, there are helpful buttons on the Laminator. 2 of them are on the front. The clear counter button resets the counter to 0 to count all of the feet of laminate used. The Run Stop button starts and stops the Laminator. Be sure to run the Laminator for a few seconds before inserting your project to avoid glue marks like this. Make sure the project is lined up to the grid on the deck to avoid the laminate missing your project. Now we're ready to use the Laminator. Press the Run Stop button while following the grid lines on the deck. Slowly push your project forward until the Laminator pulls your project from your hands. Be sure to keep the paper flat on the deck to avoid creases in the final project. Once your project clears the back of the machine, hit the Run Stop button again. While pressing down on the cutter, drag it across the laminate to release your project from the machine. All you need to do now is trim the excess laminate and it's ready for display.